Address data issues slow your business down with incorrect locations, missed service opportunities, and wasted resources. But what if there was a smarter way? AddressGenius validates addresses from multiple sources by cross-referencing trusted data, eliminating duplicates, and ensuring your team has a single, accurate record. No more manual checks, no more service delays. Managing MDUs is challenging because one address often serves multiple units. AddressGenius ensures each unit is properly accounted for. With precise address data, you can design networks to the right number of endpoints from the start, ensuring seamless service provisioning the first time. When addresses change, AddressGenius automatically identifies updates, makes merging easy, and syncs the correct address across all your business systems, so your sales, marketing, and operations teams always have the right data. Do you need to provide address data to external systems or regulatory entities? AddressGenius delivers structured, validated data, reducing the risk of errors and manual cleanup. Bad addresses are costing you. AddressGenius fixes them, so your business runs smoother, faster, and smarter. Take control today. Learn more at VETROfibermap.com.